Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install a light bulb. I know, right? It seems easy since cannot talk. Seems simple, but sometimes it can be tricky. So let's figure it out together. So let's do it. Cue intro music. We need intro music. I know. Alright. So, you go to the store after you figure out what kind of light bulb you need. So, here's our old light bulbs. Old light bulbs? Yeah, keep your old light bulbs. That way you know what kind of light bulbs you're going to need to use. You'd think that people would remember that. Anyway, so you take your old light bulbs, or if you know what they look like, and you go and get new light bulbs. I know. Where do you get new light bulbs? At a light bulb store? I know. Genius, right? You go to RV supply, trailer supply, any kind of supply, any kind of store that has to do with lights, any kind of store that has to do with bulbs, any kind of store that's a store, any kind of store that has the word store. A store. Cool. Got that out of the way. So you have your light bulb, right? You're going to take your light bulb, and you're going to figure out, okay, how do I install it? Well, this one has a little knobsicle on both sides. So you're going to, for this one, you're going to see we have a little holesies. So you're going to take it and put it in the holesies, if I can. And then you're going to twist, and bam! We have light! Ah, that's so bright! But wait, we're not done. We're not done? What do you mean we're not done? Why are we not done? It's simple. Well, gotta have a cover. Otherwise, it just looks so... So, I'm gonna put the cover on. Wow, would you look at how beautiful that looks? Oh my gosh. And this has been your tutorial on installing light bulbs.